you guys, it's Vaughn. Alrighty, let's get into the video. I wanted to share a haul of the things that I bought my daughter for Christmas. And also at the end of this, there's a little bit of a bonus just showing you guys what I got for myself or for my house. You know how it is when you're shopping for the kids or anybody, you see something that would work for you or your house, you go and pick it up. Oh, before we get started, let me just preface this and say that I'm shopping for my 3-year-old daughter and she is on the spectrum. The reason I point that out is because you guys know if you're autism moms or autism parents, that oftentimes with children on the spectrum, you have to shop a little bit more thoughtfully just because based on where your child is developmentally, you may or may not be buying them toys that are designed and created for children their age who are developing typically. So I do have to navigate the toy aisle just a little bit differently than parents of neurotypical children, just because there may be things that Anne is into that may not necessarily be in her age group. It may be a little bit under, or some stuff that she might like may be a little bit over. It just depends. And I'll talk a little bit more about that as we get into the toys. But I think just generally though, parents who shop for their children for Christmas probably have to do the same thing whether they have a child with autism or not. So this is something that I think, you know, all parents can kind of relate to. So first things first, I went to Walmart because Walmart is America's best toy shop. It kind of is, but there was also some stuff that I feel like they did not have. I worked with Walmart last year on their toy selections and things, and it was a lot of fun, and they do have a lot of good stuff. Anne was a part of their top rated kids programs, and we rated the toys based on whether or not Anne liked them and stuff like that. So that was a lot of fun, but there was some stuff they didn't have, and I'll talk about that. So the first thing that I got from Walmart is a Baby Alive. I got her the African-American one. So this is Happy Hungry Baby. This one came with some bonus items on the side here where you basically get some extra diapers, some extra food, and then there's like a little extra outfit for the baby. But I wanted to get her this because, you guys, I'm trying to get Anne more into playing with dolls, just because I think it is an important part of her development in terms of empathy, learning to care for, also learning, I guess probably, and I'm just making this up, but probably learning how to value the way I care for her based on her learning how to care for something else. I felt like it was time to really start pushing the doll thing, because she had a doll ever since she was like, you know, 15 months. No, actually like 12 months, but she never really cared about the thing. Like she would swing it, you know, by its feet. She would like throw it up and catch it, like, you know, using it like a ball. Just have her realize that, you know, human beings have to be cared for type of thing. So I got her this doll. This thing was like, I think like 38 bucks for like this whole complete set. See, like I just want to see her doing that. And with the Baby Alive, this is for ages 3 and up, which is states right here. So in this instance, this is actually something that Anne is not necessarily interested in for her age group, but I'm going to try to get her into it. The next thing that I got Anne is really kind of interesting. I don't know that I've ever seen this before, but it's called Aqua Dragons. You guys can hear her upstairs. She's playing in her room. So, but yeah, it comes with a little pack of eggs, and you pour them in this thing and they hatch after 48 hours. And there's these little things sort of swimming around. And so I got Anne this because she's really into aquariums. I've taken her to the Shed Aquarium in Chicago plenty of times. My mom has an aquarium. She likes to look at those fish. So she really likes the whole idea of things swimming around in water that look cool. So I thought I'd get her like a little miniature one just to see how she reacts to it, you know. And this one has an LED light in it, so it's got like that glow, and Anne loves like night lights and disco lights and that sort of thing. So I think that she'll really like this. And I'm such a consumer mom, because when they put these photos and stuff on here, I mean, this type of marketing works because I look at it and I'm like, I want Anne to have that experience. That'll help me decide whether or not I should get the thing. So that's some effective marketing there. And so with this toy, this is actually for ages 6 and up. So see, this is not even in her, you know, age group for what a child her age would typically go for, but I got it anyway because she's already into that. You know what I mean? Y'all, excuse my appearance. Like I literally just left the store. Like I wasn't on no, like, oh, I'm gonna be cute for this video. You know, I just left the store and started filming. So no, I ain't looking all cute, but my background is cute. Okay, and so this other little toy that I got her, this is a learning buddy. Let me turn my phone on vibrate because these little group texts be juking. So I got her this because this is kind of where we are with her learning. Is like the button, zip, buckle, like, you know, it's for sensory development, fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, that kind of thing. And so Anne actually needs a lot of help in those areas. This toy is actually for 18 months and up. So this she's way beyond this age group here, but she still needs help in this area. So I went ahead and got her this toy regardless. So sometimes I walk through the toy aisle and I just kind of have my blinders on. Like, I'm just looking for things that I know that she's interested in. I do look at the age suggestion on there just to get a gauge for, like, you know, what the industry is expecting. But I, you know, as a mom, I'm making my own choices for my daughter. I feel like Walmart had a lot of character toys. They got all the like latest, most popular stuff. They have a lot of family games, but they didn't have a lot of like the baby dolls to choose from. They really only had like the Baby Alive and then those little like knockoff American dolls. And so I wasn't really, you know, I was looking for more of a variety there, but I do believe Target probably has more of the baby dolls, but I just didn't go to Target today. And I feel like they didn't have any like, you know, little kitchenette type stuff. They didn't have much fake food and things like that. So I was a little bit disappointed in Walmart because I really was expecting them to have like everything that I needed. I was expecting to just go there and find everything, but it's okay. So next, you guys, I got Anne some stuff that is related to a theme on YouTube that she's absolutely crazy about. Actually borderline obsessed, and that's that baby shark stuff. So I got her these baby shark bath time toys. She has a lot of bath time toys, but I think she'll really like having these. So they're just little rubbery toys with the little squirt thing, so she can have those during her bath time. I also got her some Play-Doh. She plays with this at therapy, Play-Doh that is, and they make a huge mess, and I'm always just like, y'all gotta clean that up. But I do need to get her some for here. She has some, but we don't really play with it much. But I wanna start with this right here. So I wanna be able to entice her to really focus and participate because she really loves Baby Shark. So I immediately grabbed this when I saw it. It's basically just some stencils, cutouts, so that we can put together the Baby Shark characters. So I'm looking forward to playing with her with this. And next for Walmart, I wanted to get my daughter some musical objects and things for her to play on and learn from. You guys know that Anne is really into music and songs and just rhythm in general. So I wanted to buy her some stuff that would kind of help her develop those skills a little bit more. So I did get her this Mickey Mouse Hot Dog Dance Break Mickey girl, and this item is for ages 3 and up. This is cool because it's a figurine that stands up on its own and it has some moves, and it also plays music, and she can you know, push the button to have it play music. She can dance with it. I've seen her do that before, and you know, the ears light up, so she'll really love this from a sensory input perspective. But I think also it's good for learning because I do think that music helps to develop the brain. I really think it just helps her concentrate and really just take in her surroundings a bit better. So I can't wait to have her play with this. She has some other toys similar to that. They have the same like musical functionality, but with this shopping trip and with all of my shopping trips, sometimes it's not that you're looking for like new toys that you've never seen before, but you're just sometimes out with the old, in with the new, upgrading, replacing all her, you know, younger version toys. So that's not anything brand new, but it'll be something better for her. Now, this next item that I got that's related to music is my favorite item. I couldn't wait. When I saw it, I was like, oh yeah! Da 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 da! I finally got her a guitar. This is an acoustic guitar. It includes 6 chords. It looks just like, you know, the guitars that she's encountered in our travels and when we're out and about. So I wanted to get her one that looked just like it. You guys, I thought I was gonna have to go to like an official like guitar shop and spend like $200 on a guitar, but I am so glad I went to Walmart. I don't know how much this was, I don't remember, but it couldn't have been that much. I wasn't even looking at the prices when I was putting stuff in the cart. But my overall total for Walmart was only $200. So, I mean, I did pretty good. This is for ages 6 and up. So, again, another item that doesn't necessarily fit with her age group, but she's still interested in it. So, I definitely wanted to get her this, you guys. They had different styles of guitar, different colors and patterns and stuff, but I wanted to get her a basic one that, again, resembled guitars that she has encountered when we were out. So, I think she's really going to be excited about this one. And then lastly from Walmart, I got her this set of Melissa and Doug play food. These are little wooden pieces of foods that she can like pretend to cut and serve up. And I know that she's interested in this because her therapists have told me that the play food that they have at the center, Anne loves it. They were like, oh, someone at home must cook a lot because Anne is always trying to pretend to be cooking stuff. So I figured it is time for me to get her a little play kitchen. So I wanted to start by getting her some of this play food, and this is for ages 3 and up, so she's right on par with that. So that brings me into my next haul, which was IKEA. You guys know I love IKEA. I absolutely love shopping at IKEA. It's so much fun. It puts me in such a great mood. I just love IKEA. Okay, so it's in this box. So extra. So it's in this box. I don't know if you guys can see the little preview sketch right here, but this is a little play kitchenette, okay? All right, it's heavy as hell. Okay, let me put it down here. Okay, so we're gonna have to build that, but I did get her that. You guys, IKEA actually has some pretty good stuff for the holiday. I didn't realize I could shop there for like ornaments and holiday home decor stuff, but they have quite a bit, and right now everything's on sale. So I wanted to get her the kitchenette, you guys. There's a ton of stuff in the kids area that I think is great for gifts. Nice little bedding, nice toys, just a bunch of stuff. So I wanted to get her this one because it's affordable. I think this one was only like $89, and it'll be easy for us to assemble and put it together ourselves. And also when it comes to IKEA stuff for kids, you guys, I feel like it's really good that like the colors and textures and finishes that they use on those toys, because a lot of that stuff will fit right into your like house, you know? Like, it's not like the kitchenette is gonna be like pink and purple, you know what I mean? Like, it looks like a miniature little kitchen, and so if you see it in your house, it doesn't look like this eyesore, you know, like some kids' toys can be like eyesores and stuff. And then I feel like this one matches really nice with the theme that I already have going on in her room, so I will absolutely be putting this in her room, so I'm really happy about it. So that's it for the gifts that I got for Anne today. Her dad's gonna get her some stuff, and I'll probably get her a couple more things, but that's really the bulk of it right here. These are the educational toys. These are the developmental toys that I wanna get her for now. I'll probably buy her some shoes and, you know, hair accessories and clothes and stuff like that a little bit later. But these are the items that I wanna wrap right away and put under the trees. Oh, that's right, because I got the 3 trees. So here's what I was thinking about the trees. I'll put most of Anne's toys under the main tree out here in the foyer, and then the one in the family room, and then the one in our room I want to wrap with totally different wrapping paper. I wanted to like all coordinate, and I want to do those gifts for just like between me and Anthony, so I might just do that. We will see. But the gifts that I wrap out here, I do want to do like plaids and reds and silvers and white. The rest of the stuff I got from IKEA. All right, so nothing else is going to be, oh, that's actually not the last thing I got for Anne. The last thing I got for Anne for Christmas is this little pack of fake food. It's like a little farmer's market, you know, veggie basket. I just love that it's the little soft, you know, pillowy kind of fake food, so she can, you know, create her little fake basket with her little kitchen and everything. And this is totally relatable for her because mommy buys this kind of stuff from the grocery store all the time, so she'll be able to really get in there and pretend to be me. And this is the last thing that I got for Anne, actually. This a little pot and pan set. So it comes with these items here, and it's super cool. And I like that it has like the stainless steel look, so it looks like real, you know, cookware. So it's very realistic, right? I really didn't want to get her a little kitchen set if it was gonna be pink and purple. I just really didn't. All right, so that is absolutely it for Anne's Christmas stuff from today's haul. Now I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I got from IKEA for myself, okay? So I wanted to get a new baking dish, my old baking dish, because I do stuff in the kitchen all the time. It's real messed up, it's real burnt up, so I just wanted to get a fresh new one. This one's probably gonna get burnt up too, but we're gonna start from ground zero with this one. So I just got that. I like how it has some depth to it. It's kind of deep, and so that's gonna help with like spills and stuff. Christmas stuff I was telling y'all about, right? I went ahead and got this pack of ornaments. Look how cute. Cute little variety. It goes absolutely with my theme. I'm actually not gonna put this on any tree. I'm gonna put it inside of a bowl, because we're doing like a ugly holiday Christmas party type of thing, and that's gonna be a part of that decor. I was kind of in that mindset when I was in IKEA today. And let me show you guys this bowl that I got. So this is the bowl. It's kind of like a champagne ice bowl type of thing. It's kind of, it looks like the stuff that you get like at a nice hotel, like at the Ritz or something, and they bring you the champagne like in a nice silver bowl like this with the handles on there. So I thought this was mad cool. It was pretty cheap. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it was pretty cheap. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna serve the champagne and stuff out of this. And then I think I'm going to, and this is how they had it on display at IKEA. They had like some nice dinner napkins like wrapped around the bottles of champagne. And then I guess I'm to assume that it was filled with ice at the bottom, but then they had like the ornaments kind kind of sprinkled like right on top. So it looked so holiday-esque. All I could think of was Pottery Barn. I was like, yup, that's the look I want. That's the vibe I'm going for the holiday party we're doing. So let me get it. So I'm really excited about this. This is great for the holiday party that I'm doing, but I can also keep this forever. And one more thing I got for my holiday party. I haven't officially shopped for my holiday party yet, but I just was picking up a few things that was on my mind. These little packs of little miniature, I guess, Santa hats or Christmas hats or whatever. Girl, how cute is this? They're like little tiny little hats, and you can just put them like right there, and it came with the little strings separate to tie those on. This is gonna be so much fun. So I just went ahead and got 2 packs. I think it's, well, 6 in each, so I have 12 only. I don't know how many people are coming over here for the party. I'm thinking maybe 20, but I'll just have my little 12 hats for the 12 people. So that was really fun to have. And last but not least, from IKEA, I got Ingrun, this little quick fringy, creamy colored throw. And I'm probably just gonna put this in Anne's room because she messed her other one up that I got her from IKEA. So I'm just replacing it. And I just like it. It's so cute, you know, for the vibe of her room, but it's also very functional because she likes to cuddle up in her blankets and stuff. Stay tuned, you guys, because I'm gonna be revamping Anne's room just a little bit, not even revamping it, refreshing it, because I had to throw away her rug. I had to throw away actually a few things in her room because she, you know, messed them up or broke them or whatever. So I'm kind of just refreshing it. There's no more TP. We had to take that out because my husband was like, no, I'm sick of this thing falling. So we're just doing a few things. I'm gonna get her like a little bean bag or what have you. Because her interests are developing a lot more, you guys. Like, she knows what she wants. She knows how she wants to chill in her room and everything. So I've just been observing her and noticing these things, and I'm just reacting to them at this point. So I know I need to get her a big, nice, comfy bean bag because she likes to lay and watch TV now like her dad. So stay tuned for videos on that coming up in the near future and all that. And I love you guys, okay? So that's it for today's video. I will see you all next time. And by next time, I mean tomorrow. Bye.